In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into WordPress from Namecheap step by step, so you can get into your dashboard quickly without having to search for your WordPress admin URL or remember extra login details. This is a really useful shortcut if your WordPress site is hosted on Namecheap and you want a faster way to access your admin area. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting accounts are displayed in one place. Click on Hosting List to continue. Now you should see your hosting account. Find the hosting plan that belongs to the WordPress website you want to access. When you locate the correct hosting account, click the Go to cPanel button. This will take you into the control panel for that hosting account. Inside cPanel, look for the WordPress Manager by Softaculous tool. This is the section that lets you manage your WordPress installations directly from your hosting panel. Open WordPress Manager by Softaculous, and then click on Installations. Here you'll see a list of the WordPress sites installed on your account. Find the correct WordPress installation, then look for the Login as Admin icon. Click that icon, and Namecheap will automatically log you into the WordPress dashboard as an administrator. And that's it, you're now inside WordPress without having to enter your login details manually. From here you can manage your posts, pages, plugins, themes and settings, just like normal. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WordPress and hosting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.